Hey guys, it's Ricky here with DashCam Documentaries, and today we are heading back to Echo Park. Now you can see it here on my right. Now, as you may recall, I did have a video demonstrating and documenting the large homeless encampment that had taken place here in Echo Park. Well, that's been all cleared away. They closed the park for about 2 months to clean it up and renovate it, and now, just as a couple of weeks ago, it is reopened. Now you can see police presence here at the park because now the park is under security, and we're going to go over that and take a look at the improvements they did. And as always, you're welcome to join me. Just get in the car and buckle up. Okay, now here we go on a circle around the newly rehabbed Echo Park Lake. Now it has been reopened since May 26th, and you can see how beautiful it looks and how clean everything is. Now the city had spent over $1.1 million on this project. And what they did is they basically removed graffiti. They removed 35 tons of waste and trash. They renovated the boathouse to make it look beautiful again. And they did a lot of landscaping on the trees. You can see how beautiful and trimmed all these trees look. Now, they have installed security cameras pretty much all over the park. Every square inch of the park is monitored by security cameras, as well as a private security company that's working with the LAPD. Now, that is not as unusual as you may think. It's pretty common for them to hire private security companies just to make sure everything is on the up and up when LAPD can't be here. But as of today, we did see that LAPD unit roaming around and making sure everything is looking safe and under control. Now, the fencing that they put on around the park when they were renovating it is still there, and you can see it here to my right. Now, this fencing, they say, will be removed once everything is completely under control. We have no idea what the timeline is to remove this fencing here. You can see it to my right. But it doesn't stop you from enjoying the park because there are 4 gates that are open, and these gates close at 10:30 p.m. promptly. So you need to be out of here by 10:30 p.m. or you will be removed forcefully. So that is the new guidelines of the park. It opens around 5 a.m. so there is ample opportunity to enjoy the lake and the park and the newly trimmed palm trees. You can see here to my right some palm trees that look quite beautiful, and the flowers and the grass is freshly cut and smells wonderful. So all these things you can enjoy from 5 o'clock in the morning till 10:30 at night. And it's going to be that way for a while. Now, we're hoping at some point the park reopens to its normal full capacity. Now, let's pull over one more time. You can see the beauty of the lake glistening here and all the people running and enjoying themselves. Now, the homeless encampment has been removed, and those individuals that were living here at the park, as I documented on a previous episode of DashCam Documentaries, well, most of them have been relocated to shelters or hotels that have been provided to them. And now they are keeping a close eye on Echo Park just to make sure nothing happens here to deter people from fully enjoying all these amenities, because it was quite the scene once the park closed and everyone was forced to be removed. There was 182 arrests that day. So things did get out of hand, and the city has promised to keep the park clean and free of any problems, using the fencing system for now, security guards, cameras all over the park, and as we saw a bit earlier, LAPD coming in and making sure everything is looking good and everyone is enjoying themselves like on this beautiful day like today. So we'll keep you posted on the developments here, but so far things are looking good. We're hoping this fence can be removed, but in the meantime, there are 4 openings for you to come in. Now we'll circle one last time and take a look at that beautiful geyser fountain shooting water in the air, and everybody just walking around having a good time here in Echo Park. Well, that'll do it for today's episode of DashCam Documentaries. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video and leave us any comments on what you think about what they did here in Echo Park and how they cleaned it up, and what you think is in the future for this beautiful gem of Los Angeles. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys on our next adventure.